Hey, it's Marina, travel experta, and today we're going to be talking about the bon bon. Are you guys ready for an adventure? Let's begin. So this is a real quickie, guys, because I just need to do an ode to the bon bon. 6 years ago, my family and I were visiting Spain. We were here for over 6 weeks. But if you don't really know some of the local stuff, whatnot, it takes you a while to know what's, other than like tapas and paella and other things that are pretty well known worldwide as being specific to Spain. I didn't know personally about the bonbon. Yes, this is definitely a coffee culture. And for some reason, we were in because the bonbon, which I'm going to explain to you in a second, it doesn't exist everywhere, not in every coffee shop. So when you're not even looking for something, I always say, tell me what I don't know because I don't know what it is, right? What is it that I don't know? I want to know what I don't know. And this is one of those things. Maybe I should not have found out about it because, as I always say, it'll be my undoing. So 6 years ago, literally the last day of our stay in Spain, I discovered the bonbon. I have this mini obsession. It's not a good one with condensed milk. I remember sneaking in cans, opening up and drinking them all since I could remember. So what is the bonbon? It is one shot of espresso and literally the same, if not more, amount of condensed milk. I mean, does it get any better than that? I don't think so. So I discovered it. Since then, whenever I travel anywhere, even in Guatemala, local, nobody offers condensed milk at all. I found this one place finally recently in Guatemala where they gave it, and for some reason, it still was not the same as the one in Spain. And guess what? I am back in Spain, and I am now in the place of my love, the bon. So if you have a sweet tooth and you like coffee, I cannot even tell you how amazing the bon is. So if you guys want more cool ideas for really interesting, totally off the grid kind of yummy stuff anywhere in the world, make sure to check out my site, travelexperta.com, travelexpert with an A.com. And remember to make every day an adventure.